Okay guys, so I am here at the formerly Seven Peaks Salt Lake, or which was before Raging Waters water park, which is now abandoned. This is crazy. I used to come here as a kid all the time. And as you see right here, there is a security car here. He's normally sitting inside there, but he's walking the perimeter inside right now. But just a warning, do not go inside. They will call the police on you. Don't go on property. But I do have the okay to fly my drone and get some cool video shots for you guys inside the water park as long as I am out here on this side. Just a little information about this. The city of Salt Lake owns this right now, and there has been a few people interested in buying this place. Let me tell you how this was. This was originally Raging Waters. As you can see over there, that's where the wave pool is. And I remember when the buzzer goes off for the waves to start, because it's every so many minutes, people would start like screaming and stuff. That just happens. But 2016, 2017, this park started to get into disarray when Seven Peaks Salt Lake had it. A lot of things were breaking down, and that was when a lot of drop in attendance happened because a lot of things just were not working, and so it wasn't worth it to come. And then it just went downhill from there. Yeah, it's been closed ever since. I'm not sure, because I wasn't actually here. I'm not sure what specific year. I may put something up in the video somewhere of when it actually closed. People were misled with Seven Peaks when they had the passes all passes. It said it included that, and the only thing that they had was on their Facebook post saying that, hey, we're no longer going to be operating Seven Peaks Salt Lake, so people wanted refunds on their all passes. And same for Seven Peaks Salt Lake. That kind of had a lot of disarray too, and that was abandoned. But Splash and Summit or something like that, it's open now. They bought it, yeah, originally too for this place, because they've had some interested buyers, and I can't remember if it was for both places or if it was just here or the other one, I can't remember. But there was a company called Blue Island Resort that was gonna buy this. Maybe it was the Seven Peaks Provo or this one, or it was both. And they had a thing saying, oh, we're gonna be hiring, blah, blah, blah. And nothing ever happened. Basically, this place, with all the graffiti, the landscaping, all the maintenance issues and everything right now, people that have been interested in buying it, it's just going to be costly for them to fix it up. So they're still trying to wait and find somebody to buy this place. So right now it's been abandoned. That's really sad, because there used to be a lot more things to do here for kids. There used to be the Utah Fun Dome. They closed that, which then became a college, then became a pet center. Now it's a church, and it sucks. And then Hollywood Connection closed, and that became a call center, which was really lame. I don't know if the theaters are still open, but I haven't been out that area because I haven't been here in a bit. So this is crazy, but Blue Island Resort is no longer doing this. They did have, like, on their page, we're hiring for positions and things. I don't know if that was for Seven Peaks Provo or what. So you can see things are boarded up here. Also, a lot of you may not know this, but when Seven Peaks bought this place, they tamed down the waves so they weren't as strong, which was kind of lame. And then the two slides that were over on that side, the something drench and something downpour or whatever they're called, they used to have a spot on one of the slides where it's either single tubes or double tubes. The one that was on the far right, you had to have a double, but basically there's a spot where you would drop and come back up. And then there was another spot where it was a bigger drop and you come back up. Same with the two slides over here. And they removed those and just put straightaways, which was really lame. So they changed that too. Also, all these slides here used to be a tannish color, which I kind of prefer. I mean, yeah, the color is cool, but when it's tannish, you don't see the fading as bad, like on the tan versus the colored slides. And when they repainted these, they just kind of fade really quickly. I am gonna try to see at one point, because they told me to contact the city to see if I actually legitly go inside to do some filming and stuff like that. I don't know if someone would have to be with me or maybe the security, but not to cause any trouble or anything like that, just to document everything like I'm kind of doing now. But like I said, I used to come here as a kid all the time. It was amazing. Yeah, let's get into this and I will show you this awesome video.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. it so hard to let you go? You is it so hard to let you go?
You can now join and become a member of Attraction Spot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information,
click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS family.